Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to connect domain to Wix.ai. If you've built your website using Wix AI, the next step is connecting your custom domain so your site looks professional and is easy to access. Instead of using a default Wix URL, connecting your own domain helps build credibility and makes your brand stand out. To begin, open your browser and log into your account on Wix. Once you're inside your dashboard, locate the website you created using Wix AI and open it. From your site dashboard, look for the Connect a Custom Domain section. This is where Wix allows you to manage domain connections and website addresses. Next, enter your domain name and proceed. Wix will now guide you through the connection process. Wix will then give you two main options: buy a new domain through Wix or connect a domain you already own. If you already purchased a domain from another provider, select the option to connect an existing domain. Before connecting a domain, make sure your site has an active premium plan. Wix requires a paid plan to connect a custom domain, so if you're still on the free version, you'll be prompted to upgrade. There are typically two main connection methods. The first method is name server connection, where you update your domain's name servers to point to Wix. The second method is pointing, where you update specific DNS records like A records and CNAME records while keeping your domain managed by your original provider. Finally, make sure your site is published. If it's not live yet, click the Publish button so your website becomes accessible through your custom domain. Using Wix with a connected domain allows you to present a professional online presence and makes it easier for visitors to find your site. To summarize, connecting a domain to your Wix AI site involves upgrading to a premium plan, going to the domain section, choosing to connect a domain, and confirming the connection. Once everything is set up and your site is published, your custom domain will point directly to your Wix website. And that's how to connect a domain to a Wix AI website. By linking your custom domain and publishing your site, you can create a more professional and accessible online presence. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.